So, inflation numbers, 9.1%. So that's for the month of June. Now, keep in mind, month of May is 8.6, and so you're seeing an increase. And that was why that increase motivated the Fed to move to a 75 basis point hike. What we're not seeing, or what's not included in those numbers, is the recent action that Biden took to unleash oil to bring the price of gasoline down. The opportunity where we now were able to get the products off out of the ocean and onto the shelves that drove currently prices in stores and retail department stores prices down. None of that's included in that number because all those were recent actions taken. Additionally, there were more jobs added in the month of June. Per the job report, per my previous video, about 372,000. So we don't fully know it's not really clear what inflation is really looking like now. I would be interested to see what happens after this month. Does it start to come back down before really sitting in a panic? But I do understand in the meantime, pricing pressure is adding to people's wallets. People understanding that, hey, I'm just trying to get an extra $100 down. I'm trying to, or in the month, I'm trying to figure out a way to make ends meet with my rent going up, with all my costs around me going up. And now is the time that you should not only be looking to increase your income with this hot job market, but looking for additional ways to bring in income. Whether now for me, depending on the size of your and the severity of your particular situation, you may not have time to just start a business. You need to go out and just get another $15, $20 an hour job that you can work from home, if that's an opportunity you have given your current lifestyle, or $15 job, $20 job that you can go to. Whatever the case may be, more income is going to help your situation because it's a numbers thing, and the more income you have versus what you have to spend, it works out. But I want you to stay vigilant. I want you to lock in and focus on your situation. I want you to understand that this time will pass, but it's going to be work to get on the other side.